Assalamualaikum, my dear students. How are you all? I think you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIVS Home School. This is Muhammad Yamin Apu, an assistant teacher in mathematics, National Indian English National School morning shift. Today I'm going to take a math class for the student of class 9. Today's topic is formula. That means we will discuss the formula of exercise 3.2. Okay, and we'll solve two problems from exercise 3.2. Problem number 1, sub question number 2, and problem number 2, sub question number 1. First of all, let's discuss the formula of the exercise 3.2. That means the cube formula we should discuss today. And the formulas will be, the first formula of the cube is formula number 6, because in the previous exercise we have learned the formula number 1 to 5. Today the first formula is formula number 6. The formula is a plus b whole cube, that's equal to a cube plus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared plus b cube, and that is equal to also a cube plus b cube plus thrice ab into a plus b. How we can write down this one? We can write down a cube here plus b cube here plus 3ab we can take common from these two terms. If we take plus 3ab as common, there will be a and there will be b, so plus 3ab into a plus b. Now I am going to show you how this one can we write down. So here will be a plus b whole cube. This means that a plus b is multiplied to each other 3 times. This means that a plus b into a plus b into a plus b. Or you can write down like this way, a plus b, and there will be a plus b squared. Because we have already learned the formula of a plus b whole square. Now if we put here the formula of a plus b whole square, that's equal to a square plus twice ab plus b square, then we can multiply these two and we'll get down the formula of cubic. So write down one is a is multiplied with a squared plus twice ab plus b squared, and also plus b is multiplied with a squared plus twice ab plus b squared. Now dear students, it's a and a squared is a cube plus a and a twice ab, that means it will be twice a squared b because it is multiplied with this one. Now it's a and multiplied with a squared, it will be it's b squared. A is multiplied with b squared, so a b squared, plus now it will be b is multiplied with all of this, so b into a square means b a square. We can arrange this one, we can write down a squared b plus b is multiplied with twice ab, so it will be twice a b squared, plus b is multiplied with b squared, it will be b cube. Now write down this one is a cube, it's a simple addition and subtraction, is twice a b squared. Similar term is a squared b, so 2a squared b and a squared b is equal to thrice a squared b. Now is ab squared, the similar term of ab squared is twice ab squared. ab squared plus twice ab squared is thrice ab squared, and b cube remain unchanged. This is our formula of a plus b whole cube equal to a cube plus thrice a squared b plus thrice ab squared plus b cube. And we can write down like this way, my dear students, I am repeating is a plus b whole cube means a plus b is multiplied with 3 times, or a plus b multiplied with a plus b 2 times. Okay, and we can write down this way. And the right side, this one we can write down as take as 3 as common, 3ab as common. A cube is remain unchanged. If we take 3ab as common, it will be a plus b here, a from this one, b from this one, and if it will be b cube. So if we arrange this one is a cube plus b cube plus thrice ab into a plus b. This is our formula number 1, that means formula number 6 in this cubics formula. And like this way, we can prove the second one also, a minus b whole cube, that's equal to a cube minus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared minus b cube. And this one also can be written down as taken from minus thrice ab, from these two terms as taken as common, we can write down a cube minus b cube minus thrice ab into a minus b. And I am going to show you the corollary from the first two formula of cubic. The first corollary will be, if we take a plus b whole cube, that's equal to this one is a cube plus b cube plus thrice AB into A plus B. Now, dear students, transfer this one into the left side, or you can write down this one. The right side is A cube plus B cube plus thrice AB into A plus B. Right side you can write it in the left side, and the left side's value will be in the right side, A plus B whole cube. Imply that we can transfer this thrice AB into A plus B. It's a single term. We can write it in the right side, then it will be taken as negative sign, and we will find out the value of A cube plus B cube. The first corollary was in the previous exercise, it was A squared plus B squared. Now the first corollary of this exercise will be A cube plus B cube. A cube plus B cube is equal to A plus B whole cube minus this term, it's thrice AB into A plus B. This is our first corollary in this exercise, okay. So A cube plus B cube equal to A plus B whole cube minus thrice AB into A plus B. And also from this second formula, that means formula number 7, we can write down the value of A cube minus B cube. This means that A cube minus B cube, that's equal to A minus B whole cube plus thrice AB into A minus B. You can prove this one in by yourself. So this is our first corollary in this chapter, and this is our second corollary in this exercise. Okay. Now I am going to discuss these two formula. These two formula are called the factor formula. We had before, like this formula we had before, like A plus B into A minus B is equal to A squared plus B squared. That means A squared minus B squared. We have that before. It's A squared minus B squared. That's equal to A plus B into A minus B. It was our factor formula. So these two are also our factor formula. These two factor formulas are A cube plus B cube, that's equal to A plus B into A square minus AB plus B squared. And also the last formula in this exercise is A cube minus B cube, that's equal to A minus B into A squared plus AB plus B squared. I am not going to prove these two because you can easily prove this one by multiplying these two product, and you will get that the left hand side. Also to prove this one, you can take right hand side and multiply these two product, and you will get this one, okay. It's so easy, so I am not going to prove anymore. Now we will solve the question number 1 and 2. Question number 1, activity 2 will solve. Question number 1 in exercise 3.2 is find the cube with the help of formula. That means we must use the formula to find out the cube of this one. 7m squared minus twice n. 7m squared minus twice n cube we need to find out. So write down at first. It's the solution of question number 1, sub question number 2. The cube of 7m squared minus twice n is equal to 7m squared minus twice n whole cube. It's a very easy question. You can practice the other one in your exercise copy. Now it's A minus B whole cube formula. A is our 7m squared and here B is twice n. Now apply the formula of A minus B whole cube is equal to A cube. This is our A cube minus thrice A squared B. A squared means 7m squared whole square. Thrice A, B means twice n. Plus thrice AB squared. A means here is 7m square. B here is twice n. So twice n whole squared. Now minus B cube. B cube means twice n whole cube. I have written down only the formula here, nothing else. A minus B whole cube, that's equal to A cube minus 3A squared B plus 3AB squared minus B cube. A minus B whole cube formula. Now we should write down the calculation. The calculations are what? The calculations will be, dear students, now calculate it. It's 7m cube. This means that 7 is multiplied to each other 3 times. 7 multiplies 7 multiplies 7 is equal to 343 is m square had the cube. So power has the power, that means this power will be multiplied to each other. It will be m, 2 multiplied 3 is 6. Now the minus sign, it's 3 multiplied 7 is squared, multiply 2. So 7 square means 7 is multiplied 2 times to each other. 7 multiplied 7 is 49. 49 multiplied 3, multiply this 2. That's equal to 294. This m square has the square sign. So it will be m square square. So it's 2 multiplied 2 is 4. M to the power 4. And n is here. Now the plus sign is 3, 7 and 2 squared is multiplied to each other. So 3 multiplied 7, it is 3 multiple 7 is 21, multiple 2 square, 2 square means 4, 2 2s are 4, so multiply by 4, it will be 84, 84 m square, and here is n has a square sign, so it will be n square. Minus sign is 2n cube. 2 cube means 2 is multiplied to each other 3 times. So 2 multiplied 2 is 4, 4 multiplied 2 is 8. So it will be 8 n and cube sign. And which is our answer? This is our answer. You can arrange this one or no need to arrange this one and think. So this is our answer. Okay. Now the second one, I hope you have understood. Dear students, like this problem you can solve easily at home in your exercise book. Now question number 2 is simplify. I will solve only once here from 2. Simplify this one. 7x plus 3b whole cube minus 5x plus 3b whole cube minus 6x into 7x plus 3b, 5x plus 3b. Now how can we solve this one? Dear students, look. This is your question number 2, sub question number 1. This given simplification is need to be solved. So given is simplification or given excess you can write down directly here. There's no given. Here is 7x plus thrice b whole cube minus 5x plus thrice b whole cube minus 6x into 7x plus thrice b into 5x plus thrice b. My dear students, we can apply the formula here easily because you can see that this one, if we assume that this one is our a, then a cube minus this one is our b, it will be b cube minus thrice ab, we can thrice then ab into a plus b. So here will be 3 and twice x is separate. So separate this one. It's 7x plus thrice b whole cube minus 5x plus thrice b whole cube minus, we need 3ab, we need 3 actually here, okay, and then from 6x if we take 2x separately then we can take 3. So 3 multiplied 2 is 6, x back, get back. So 3 multiplied twice x, and this one is unchanged, is a and b, it would be is 7x plus thrice b into 5x plus thrice b. Now we need to assume this one is our a and this one is our b, but here is already a term is b, so we can't assume as b. We can take xy, but here is also x, so x is given here, that's why we can't take ab or we can't assume xy. We can take the other letter. I am taking here is p and q. Here or let 7x plus thrice b, that's equal to p, and here is b, here is 7 is 5x plus thrice b, that's equal to q. We can't assume a or b because b is given. We can't assume xy because x is also given. That's why I am choosing a new letters p and q, which is not here. Okay, now dear students, what is needed here? We need twice x value. We need the twice x value because already is a cube minus b cube minus 3ab. So a minus b is not here. So a minus b is not here. If we subtract this one, p minus q will be arranged. So a minus b we can get by subtracting this one, or we can find out the value of twice x by subtracting these two. If we subtract 5x from 7x, then we will find out the twice x. So subtract this one. is subtraction sign, it will be subtraction sign, it's subtraction sign. Now it will be subtract 5x from 7x, it will be twice x. Subtract thrice b from thrice b, it will be 0. So I'm not going to write down this one. P minus q is unchanged. This means that the value of twice x is equal to p minus q. We can put the value here. Now the expression becomes this one we have assumed as p, so it will be p cube, then minus sign. This one we have assumed as q, so it will be q, then cube, minus twice x, the value of twice x is p minus q, and this is our p and this is our q, so pq. We can arrange this one also, is p cube minus q cube minus thrice pq in the front and p minus q in the last, because on the multiplier and multiplicand can be exchanged their position and the value will be unchanged. Now we can apply the formula of a minus b whole cube, because a cube minus b cube minus thrice ab into a minus b equal to a minus b whole cube. So it will be a minus b, our a here is p, our b here is q, a minus b whole cube. Now we have find out our required answer, my dear students. We have assumed, we have let the p and q. Now if we put the value of p and q here, we can get the result, or if we apply technique, we also get the result quickly. P minus q is here. P minus q's value is twice x. So put the value twice x in the place of p and q. P minus q is equal to twice x and cube will be there. So the answer will be 2 cube is equal to 8. X cube is x cube, nothing else. This means that our simplified result is 8x cube of the given simplification. I hope, dear students, you have understood how to solve this sort of problem. And you have no homework today. Please keep practicing at home. All the formulas and all the question number 1 and 2 are very important. You can practice in your exercise copy in your home, in your house, and keep it stay home, keep it safe. See you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz.